Lesson is lesson 3. We are talking about multiples of 5 that total 100. So if we add two numbers that are multiples of 5, they should equal 100. So let's begin by talking about or revising the multiples of 5. We have already learned that to skip count in fives, like let's start by 0 here, so it's 0. Then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, this one won't go away. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So where's the pattern here? There's a pattern happening. So at the beginning we had 0, then we had 5. Then we have in the units 0, then 5, 0, then 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. Each time we have 0 and the next time we have 5. But what is changing? Other than that, we have here, we had no 10s, then we had 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s. So every time we have here, we have 0, then 5. Then we have the one in the tens 2 times, 0, 5. 2 in the tens, then 0, 5. 3 in the tens, 0, 5. So multiples of 5 always end in, they have 0 or 5 in the units or in the ones, okay? Multiples of 5, they always end in 0 or 5. So this is how you identify multiples of 5. And let's take an example now. Now let's say we have 10 is a multiple of 5 because it ends with 0. And give me another number that if you add it to 10, that total 100. 10 plus what equals 100? It's like the number pairs of 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Then 10 plus 90 equals 100. So we have to know the number pairs of 10 to know the number pairs of 100. So again, here's another example. 20 plus 80 equals 100 because 2 plus 8 equals 10. 30 plus 70 equals 100 because 3 plus 7 equals 10. So if you know the number pairs of 10, you will know the number pairs of 100. And as you can see, those numbers, the multiples of 10 are multiples of 5 because they end with zeros. Now what about this question? 35 plus what equals 100? Okay, you already know that 30 plus 70 equals 100, right? Okay, but here we have 35. So the 30 took 5 from the 70. The 30 took 5 away from the 70. So you would say 30 plus 70 equals 100. Then 35 plus 70 minus 5. So 70 minus 5, you count back in fives. From one time from 70, that equals 65. All right, let me give you another example. Let's say we have 45 plus what equals 100. Okay, you can say we know that 40 plus 60 equals 100, right? But the 40 took away 5 from the 60. So Here we will know that 60 minus 5 equals 55, and that's the answer. So to know the answer of this problem, we have to know the number pairs of 100, the number pairs that we have learned about, multiples of 10 that make up 100, or multiples of number pairs of 10 that are 4 plus 6, because 4 plus 6 equals 10, then 40 plus 60 equals 100. And again, 45 plus what equals 100? We know that here 45 plus, we know that 40 plus 60 equals 100, and the 40 here took away 5 from the 60. So 60 minus 5 equals 55, and that equals 100. Alright, now let me show you, before we take more examples, let me go to the lesson 3 here, multiples of 5 that total 100. We know that we have to talk about the multiples of 5 here again. Here we have 5, here we have 10, here we have 25, here we have 15. All those are multiples of 5. And you know how to count in 5s. Skip count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's possible to make 100 by adding some of these multiples of 5, as we have just learned. 10 plus 90 equals 100. And those are multiples of 5. So if you know pairs that make 10, it will help you find pairs that end in 0 and make 100. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. That makes 60 plus 40 equals 100. Now find a pair that both end in 5. Look, take away 5 from 40 and give it to 60. So that equals 65 plus 35, and that equals 100. So these are multiples of 5, 60 and 40, and 35, 65 are as well multiples of 5. For the last part of this video, we are doing some examples. Look at the first one. 15 plus what equals 100? So you know that 10 plus 90 equals 100. Then 15, the 10 took away 5. Here 15, we have 10 and it took away 5 from the other number. So 90 minus 5 equals 85. Okay, so 35 now plus what equals 100? Again, 30 plus 70 equals 100. So here we have 30 and 5 from the 70. So take away 5 from 70. That equals 65. Okay, let me choose 7. Here we have 25 plus what equals, or total 100. We know that 20 plus what equals 100? Plus 80, because 2 plus 80 equals 10, then 20 plus 80 equals 100. But the 20 here took 5 from the 80, so take away 5 from 80, that equals 75. And for these questions are repeating themselves, so for the question that I'm asking you now, guys, it's that here. This is the question for you. Here we have 55 plus what equals 100? Send me the answer in Teams, and thank you so much for watching.